Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals Self-Round-1 Assignment 10, and today I'm going to discuss about the following two questions. What is an event system? Do buttons or sliders in UI work without an event system? And explain why they will work or why they won't. Second is how to arrange a UI objects with clear spacing and padding. So coming to the first question, what is an event system? So event system is a core concept that handles the input events from various sources such as mouse clicks, touch gestures, and keyboard input, and routes them to appropriate UI elements. So it allows interactivity and user input in UI. So UI elements like buttons or sliders need event system to uh, function properly. Without the event system, these UI elements won't function, won't be able to receive and respond to input events. So, event system acts as mediator between user input and UI elements. So, when a user interacts with a button or a slider, such as by clicking the button or dragging the slider, the event system captures the input event and triggers the appropriate uh, event handler, yeah, attached to the UI element. So this event handler is customizable to perform specific actions such as uh, uh, invoking a particular method or changing the UI state. So it's just like in UI buttons, we can see there is an on click event handler. So we can just add our function, appropriate function, and it will just call it when we click on the button. So without the event system, the UI elements won't receive the input events and thus won't be able to respond to the uh, they won't be able to respond to the user interactions. As a result, the button won't be able to trigger their assigned actions and sliders won't be able to update their values. So second question is we can how we can arrange the UI elements with clear spacing and padding. So we can do this by using layout components or layout groups. So Unity provides layout components that help in organizing the UI elements automatically. So we can add the layout components or groups to the parent game object and configure them to control the spacing and padding. So commonly used components or groups are horizontal layout group, vertical layout group, and grid layout group. So horizontal layout group arranges the UI elements in horizontal line with customizable spacing and padding. Vertical layout groups uh, arranges the UI elements in vertical columns with customizable spacing and padding. And in grid layout group, it generates a grid pattern making rows and columns. So we can adjust our spacing and padding uh, in the layout group itself. That's all. Thank you.